Big hello to everyone watching this video. I hope you guys are safe and doing well in the quarantine. As you can see, I can't even get out of the parking to take a quick video or to take a short trip with the car. We only go outside to buy necessary stuff and that's it. So of course I got bored like everyone else. I go daily downstairs to the parking and work in the car for 2-3 hours. So I've removed the whole dashboard, replaced the upper part of it. So before it was brown, now it's black, matching the exterior. I soundproofed some plastic trims as well. Painted some stuff in the cluster and other small tiny retouches all over. I've done also exterior retouches as well, sticker, small paint and so on. So leave comments, tell me what you think about what I've done so far, and if you have any ideas, let me know. Of course, subscribe if you like the video and keep in touch. Be safe, take care guys. So I've done this yellow line in the middle there, and I've deleted 6 of the LED lights of the rear tail lights. So before it was vertical rectangle, so I deleted 6 of them, and now this is the shape. I like it. What do you think? Alright, I've done this sticker. So before it was red, powered by V8 5.9, I removed it, made it yellow just to match, and renewed the paint on the tires, the letters, so redid them. And here above there was a yellow line there, I've deleted it. Now there is only these 2 lights there, only yellow. And before there was 2 lines here in the lip, yellow also, I've deleted them. So now only these 2 round yellow lights. The interior, what I've done is I played a bit with the cluster here, only the RPM and the speedometer. So I've made a trim out of wire and painted it with a permanent silver pen, as you can see. Let me put the lights on. This is how it looks like now. Sorry about the light. That's the best I can do. What do you think about it? I like it. And here also the tablet was all black, so I made also silver trim here just to match the silver down there. I've removed all the dashboard and then changed the top. This was brown, so I made it black just to match the exterior, and I left this. Of course I made this also silver. You see here. And soundproof this panel there. So this panel was doing a hell of noises in rough roads, so I've put some sponge stickers, rubbers, so now it's much better.